Welcome to the greenlightproject.com. We are Group Fabulous 5 and we're just going to show you some of the functionality of our system. So I've already gone ahead and I've entered in my username and my password, and if you click login it's going to take you to the site. And once you're here you just see your basic profile, and I want to highlight a couple of things that we added to the page. First of all, I want to talk about record products. So if I go to record product, I will see a list and description and corresponding product points of all the products that are available within the system. And if I pick organic cereal, for instance, I would input 2015 as my product ID and click submit. And when that happens, you can see that one record was added to our database, and it'll give you the option to add another one if you want. And if we go to view our sustainable actions, we'll actually be able to see where that product is on the list. So here we are on the products, and at the bottom you see organic cereal, and it tells you the total product points, total activity points that you've done so far. Next thing we want to highlight just for a second is the view badges page. So when we click on view badges, it's going to take us to the badges that we've earned, depending on how many points that we've earned within the system. If you want to see, for instance, what your friends are doing on the page, you can click on view friends sustainable actions, and we are friends with a user called Amanda92, and by inputting a username you are able to see all of the sustainable actions that that corresponding user has done. If you put in just a random username that doesn't exist or isn't your friend, the system will tell you that you are not able to view this user's page. Another functionality we want to touch on just really quickly would be the leaderboard. So when you click on leaderboard, you can actually see what all of the users in the systems are doing, and it's ordered in a descending order so that you see the top users at the top of the list and going down from there. Now, if we assume that instead of just your everyday user is logging onto the system, but actually an administrator is logging on to make some changes within what's going on in the system, you would scroll over the administrator tab, and let's say you were to just click on add badge. And when you click on add badge, you're taken to a page that first asks for the administrator code, which you guys are all going to get access to, but hopefully won't use. The badge ID, let's just make it 3020, just for, showing you what it would be like. And if we were to say badge title, I don't know, can you? So let's say we were to say the Good Walk badge as our title, and for our points we were to do something really high, like 1000. If we click submit, it's going to tell us that it added one record, and if you were to go into the actual database, you would see that there was a badge created within the database. You can do the same thing for product activity, and we made a way to maintain badges so that if the administrator wants to go in and change the number of points, for instance, that it takes to earn a certain badge, they can do so. A couple of other really cool things that we have associated with our system, if you look down in the bottom right, you can see Amanda92 accepted your friendship request. So we actually have the capability to go and find users and friend them so that you're able to do things like tracking your friend's journey and comparing yourself to that. We also implemented a Twitter feed on our page so that when we tweet from our Twitter account, which is Greenlight, you're able to see all of the tweets live as they happen, and it also allows the user to directly follow Greenlight on Twitter. A couple other things, it will show you all of the members, and it will also show you different forums that members post about. So as you can see, we have a lot of different capabilities within our system that you can explore and use and get to know our system very well.